Hello guys, welcome back to my brand new channel. So this is a 3-week, was it 3 weeks? A 3-week post relaxer updates, and I won't lie, there's nothing really much to update. I've just been keeping my hair in cornrows and washing it once a week. So today was the third time I washed my hair since relaxing it, and of course, as you guys saw in the previous video, I really needed a trim, and that is what I did today. I finally trimmed my hair and I feel so much better for it. So I've looked at all your comments and I've taken some of your advice, so thank you so much to anyone who left some helpful advice. And of course, if you have any more helpful tips for looking after newly relaxed hair, then please do let me know, because this is pretty much foreign to me. I'm doing as much research as I can, but of course it would be helpful if there's anyone out there who has experienced relaxed hair and knows more about it than me who can help. So please do comment below if you have any more extra tips for me, and I will be sure to take them into account. So I'm not going to talk for too long, let's jump straight into the video.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
It's quite moisturized. Like, these are my hands from just touching my hair, so it's not super dry, which is really good. That's basically what I've been focusing on, is keeping it as moisturized as possible. I know this looks really gross, but I basically put in some water and some conditioner, so I'm going to use this to spray on my hair and help me detangle. So I'm going to shake this up. Guys, right at the very back of my head is where the longest part of my hair is, and this middle part is the shortest. I don't know why that is. It was so much easier to just remove all those twists using water and conditioner. That was amazing. That literally felt amazing. So this is what my hair is looking like. Still in its relaxed slash texlaxed states. If you're watching this and you haven't watched my previous video of me relaxing my hair, then basically I relaxed my hair and it went wrong. I basically relaxed the base instead of relaxing everything. So now the base is more relaxed than the ends. So the ends are kind of texlaxed. Okay, I'm gonna go shampoo and deep condition my hair, and I will get back to you when I am ready to blow dry and style my hair. Okay, so the first part's done, and then she kind of parts it down the middle and then cuts the sides. Okay, so next she takes the hair all the way back to about here, and then it does the same thing and cuts it from the front. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, so now she parts it all the way down the middle and brings it to the front. I feel like my hair's not long enough to do it in the way she does it, so I think I'm gonna go section by section from the back, just so that I make sure I've got all those wispy ends. Okay, I'm gonna do this side off camera because this is honestly quite tiring and I just want to finish it off quickly and then I'll get back to you. I think I have trimmed as best as I could. If anything, those struggling ends have been cut off, so I'm hoping this is enough. I tried to follow the tutorial as much as I can, but my hair is way shorter than Kay's hair. I think her name is Kay. But my hair is way shorter than her hair, so I did the best I could with what I was working with, and this is the final result. I must say, at least now I can put my hands through my hair with ease. Oh, that feels so good. I don't think I'm going to straighten it because honestly I hate putting that much heat on my hair, and the blow drying was more than enough for me. So I think I'm just gonna slick it back and do my edges, and then that should be it for me, I think.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
I've had some technical difficulties. The sun has basically gone down and it's pretty dark, so I'm using artificial lighting and I hate that, I won't lie. Like, I really love daylight. I feel like that's where you get the best view of everything, so I hope this lighting is okay. I'm basically going to do my edges now because my hair laid as much as it could. Okay, so we have reached the end of the video. I didn't straighten my hair as I said before because I really hate putting heat on my hair, so the blow drying was enough for me. And basically tomorrow I'm gonna have this style anyways, so I thought I might as well just slick my hair back, so I'll have it ready for tomorrow and I'll wrap it before I sleep. But this is basically the final result of my relaxed hair. I do feel better now that's all out of the way, so thank you so much for everyone who recommended trimming the ends, because I do feel better. I feel like a slight weight off, or maybe that's just because I washed my hair and I needed to wash it. I'm still hesitant to ever relax my hair again, but baby steps. Maybe I will. Maybe I'll get used to having relaxed hair and eventually I'll just keep relaxing it. But for now, honestly, I don't think I ever want to relax my hair again. I'd be happy to have my natural hair back. But while I do have my relaxed hair, I will try my best to look after it as much as possible, at least while it grows out, and then someday I'll do a big chop. So yeah, I'm really happy that I trimmed my ends. And again, thank you to everyone who offered me some very helpful advice. I think the next steps for me is basically just maintaining my hair and looking after it, and I'll probably start wearing braids a lot more, just so I can keep my hair in a protective style for longer than just my cornrows that I tend to take out pretty much every single week so I can wash my hair. I find that if I don't wash my hair at least once a week, like, it gets super itchy. So yeah, I'm gonna do my own braids so I can just keep my hair away for longer and let it just, you know, relax and grow and just be out of the way. But that's basically all from me in this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing if you are subscribed. I really appreciate the few of you that are subscribed, and thank you for returning if you are returning to this video. Anyways guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.